Meaning of haunting.
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 Haunting. The term haunting typically refers to a situation in which a person or place is persistently and intrusively occupied or affected by memories, emotions, or experiences from the past. This can manifest in a variety of ways, such as recurring visions, sounds, or sensations that are not grounded in present reality. The feeling of being haunted can be unsettling or even terrifying, and may require therapeutic or spiritual intervention to address. Ultimately, the experience of haunting represents a complex interplay between individual psychology, cultural norms, and the enduring power of memory and emotion.